Okay, so this is Portfolio 1, and we are given the prompt, does drinking 4 or more cups of tea improve cognitive functioning? Here's some data from people who increased how much tea they drink for 6 months. And one variable is the number of cups of tea consumed before and after the increase. And the other is a score on a scale of cognitive functioning. Alright, so I'm going to apply what I know about hypothesis testing to analyze the data and answer the research question. My null hypothesis is that there is no significant difference between the mean scores of the two conditions, and my alternative hypothesis is that there is a significant difference between the mean scores of the two conditions. So I imported my data into SPSS, and I put teacups in one long line and then cognitive functioning into the other variable. Cognitive functioning will be my dependent variable, and my teacups are my independent variable. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to create a new variable. We're going to want to separate the teacups into groups of less than 4 teacups and groups of 4 teacups greater than 4 teacups or equal to 4 teacups. So to do that, we'll press transform, compute variable, and I'm going to put the expression, numeric expression 0 here. I'm going to name this groups of teacups. Well, I wasn't even typing. Okay, then we come down here and press if, and we're going to bring over teacups, press this little blue arrow, and then we're going to select less than 4. Continue. Then we're going to press OK. Alright, now we're going to press transform compute variable again, and this time we're going to make the numeric expression 1. This time we have to go to use expression as a label, type in label, and then press use expression as a label. Continue, and then we change the if to greater than or equal to 4. Continue. Okay. And it's going to ask us if we want to change the existing variable. We'll say okay. Alright, now we have a groups of teacups, and we have our groups in pairs of groups lower than 4 and groups 4 and above. Then I'm going to come over here to values and click the 3 dots. I'm going to press the green plus sign and then click a value of 0, and this will label it less than 4 teacups. And then I'm going to click it again, and my value will be 1, and the label will be, what do you think about that? Equal to or greater than 4 teacups. Okay? Alrighty, now that we have our 3 variables, we're going to go up to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and down to Explore. We are going to want to put our cognitive functioning into the dependent list. We will put our groups into the factor list. We're going to select plots and histogram. We're going to select normality plot with test and untransformed. And we want both. Then we'll press OK. So here it's showing us that the mean less than 4 cups is 49.97, and the mean of equal to or greater than 4 teacups is 56.8. And in the test of normality, we have our significance here, and it is 0.114 and 0.055. This is over 0.05, so it is not significant. Neither groups are significant. In the QQ plots of cognitive function, you can see normality with the graph because it is close to the middle of the line. And these box plots are showing that there are no